We're going to show you how to change the toner cartridge for your HP LaserJet M236sdw printer. You need to change the toner if you see this icon on the control panel. The printer uses HP toner number 136. So let's remove the toner from this packaging. Over here at the side you can see there's an pull tab. Remove the toner. Lift up the cover to access the toner cartridge. Remove the toner from the printer. With the new toner, you may want to remove this plastic piece. Be careful not to touch this part. Then load in the toner as shown. Close the access door. The printer will go through some initialization, and once it's done, you can see that the toner icon on the control panel is gone. So this is how you install a toner cartridge for your HP LaserJet M236sdw printer.